What's up, ladies and gentlemen? These are yuko mumeze fresh. Uno munsi twageze muri DaVinci Resolve. Ngiye kwereka uko na creating color grading muri DaVinci Resolve. Ahangaha ndi muri workspace ya edit muri DaVinci Resolve, okay? Iyi niyo clip ngiye gukoresha, okay? And then ndahita nza gusimbukira hano muri workspace ya color kugira ngo ntangire gukora color grading yanjye. So guys, hano nguko clip yanjye imeze. Ubwo icyo ngiye gukora guys, first mbere yuko ntangira gukora color grading, ndaza hano muri settings za DaVinci Resolve, okay? Nza no kuri color management, mbanza making sure yuko color science iri muri DaVinci YRGB. Hano muri timeline color space guys, ngiye ndaza gushyiraho DaVinci white garment, okay? So ndaza kushyiraho iyi DaVinci YG intermediate, yes, ningi ndaza gukoresha. And then hano kuri output inze gushyiraho rec 709 gamma 2.4. no inze gukanda save guys, okay? And then ngiye creating nodes, okay? Ndaza gukoresha creating nodes guys, holding alt kuri keyboard yawe, alt plus ace, okay? Kugira ngo creating a node ushaka kuza gukoresha, okay? And then kuri node ya mbere guys, ndaza ku applyingaho icyo twita color space transform kugira ngo ize kuyikura muri flat image ijyana muri rec 709, okay? Ndaza ku applyingaho kuri node ya mbere no kuri node ya nyuma, okay? So ndaza ku applyingaho, ndaza no muri effect inze gusearchinga iyo twita color space transform, okay? Color space transform ningi ndaza kwiteranya nyishyire muri node ya mbere, still nanone inze kuri node ya kabiri inze kuyapplyingaho kuri node ya nyuma, sorry, okay? And then kuri node ya mbere guys, hano kuri input ndaza gushyiramo Panasonic kubera yuko nakoresheje Lumix S5, okay? And then hano kuri input gamma inze gushyiraho Panasonic Vlog, okay? Urabona ko itangiye guhinduka. Hano kuri output color space ndaza gushyiraho DaVinci white garment. Hano kuri input gamma inze gushyiraho iyi DaVinci intermediate guys, urabona ko iracyari muri flat. None ndatanze kuri node ya nyuma, hano kuri input color space ndatanza gushyiraho DaVinci white garment, input gamma inze ku applyingaho DaVinci intermediate. Hano kuri output color space ndaza kuhashyira rec 709 nanga kuri output, okay? Gamma inze kuhashyira rec 709 guys. Now ahangaha nungu clip yanjye ihise ihinduka, okay? Turebye before, ini yari before and then ingi niyo after guys. Wango tuyikuye muri flat tuyishyize muri rec 709, okay guys? Nuvango ndatansimbukira kuri node yanjye ya kabiri, and then hano kuri clip yanjye ndaza kuyongeramo urumuri rukeya, okay? So cyo ndaza gukora, ndaza no kuri HDR grade, okay? Inze hano kuri global light, ase inza no kuri light, twakongera light gutya guys, okay? Ahangane kuri highlight, okay? So and then ndaza kuyongera light muri rusange kuri clip yanjye gutyo nako ndi kongera light, okay? So ndaza gushyiraho ka light gakeya kugira ngo clip yanjye ize kubigaragara fresh, okay? And then hano kuri highlight enze kugabanya, dasona kuri jacket hari highlight nyinshi, okay? Gutya ni sawa guys, okay? And then guys, so ndatanza kongeramo contrast this way kugira ngo ize kuba it is strong, okay? This is nice, okay? And then kuri node guys, rekanze kunaminga ko ndayita light, okay? And then kuri ngi kurikira ndaza ko kuri ngi kurikira guys enze kwadingaho saturation, okay? So ndaza gukoresha color boost, okay? So color boost iri hano ibiri hano muri primary logs, okay? Hasi hano ushobora kongera saturation cyangwa ukayigabanya, okay? This is nice, okay? So ndaza kuyongeraho gakeya gutya, okay? Kugira ngo amabara yose ntangire kuyabona fresh neza, okay? And then guys, about kuri white balance cyase temperature, okay? Iki ndaza gukora, ndaza gupikinga hano kuri icon inze nshake anza gupikinga hari umweru, so nza gupikinga guys hano, okay, for example, yes, urabona white balance itimereza, ariko ushaka kwibalancinga n'ubundi ukoresheje uno mubare nta kibazo. Okay, there is one gutya. Okay, iyi ni sawa, nta kibazo, ahanga imeze fresh. Okay, and then guys, so ikintu ndaza gukora ndahita nzana kuri node ikurikira. Okay, so inze increasing color by color. Okay, so ndahita nzana kuri curve. Okay, inze hano muri settings za curves dufitemo who vs who, tukagira who vs sat, tukagira who vs luma. Okay, so ahangaha njano kuri who vs sat guys, ndashaka kwanza ni increasing saturation ni y'amabara nshaka. Okay, hano dufite blue muri rusange. Okay, either ushobora kwigabanya cyangwa se ukayongerera saturation gutya guys, nako birimo kugenda byongera. Okay, ndaza kwiyongeraho gatoya. Okay, even hano kuri cans, kuri coat. Okay, ushobora kongeraho saturation. This is nice. Okay, alright. Okay, and then guys, so ndashaka no gukora kuri skin tone yanjye. Ikintu ndaza gukora guys, ndaza gucreatinga indi node. Okay, ndaza guholding alt plus ace kuri keyboard yanjye, urabona ko node indi ise yicreatinga. Okay, inzano kuri qualify, nano inze gukanda muri skin tone yanjye gutya guys. Okay, so ninza holding shift plus h gutya, ni ibingibi bahita bameza, cyangwa se ushobora kuza no mu tudomo dutatu ukaza no kuri highlight, ugahita ukanda no kuri highlight guys, n'ubundi bahita bakoreka ya shortcut. Okay, none icyo ngiye gukora guys, ngiye guselectinga skin tone yanjye yonyine gusa. Okay, selectinga skin tone yanjye yonyine gusa, ubona ko yes, ibindi byo ntago nshaka ko biza kugaragara. Ariko yes guys, ni skin tone yanjye ndaza gusigarana. Yes, ni so far nako zifite same color with skin tone. Okay, noneho guys, ndahita nza kwismoothinga, ndaza no kuri matte fitness kuri rimwe, inze kongera ino blur radius gutya guys. Okay, and then ahangaha kuri kabiri ndaza kongera ino denoiser. Alright. Okay, anako smoothinze aho skin tone tandukaniye n'andi mabara. None ndangiza yes, nze kugaruka no kuri highlight kugira ngo nze kuyifunga. Okay, nicyo ndaza gukora guys. Noneho ubwo ngiye kwihereza color. Okay, so ndaza no muri yes offset. Okay, nshaka kwihereza color, urabona ko guys ari skin tone yonyine iri guhinduka. Okay, so hano yes, nze kwihereza yes the brown muri yellow gutya. Okay, yifite urumuri yashobora kurwongera cyo karugabanya. Okay, urabona ko hanga yes nshaka kongera urumuri. Okay, rwa skin tone gusa, ariko guys kuko niyo mba na selectinze yonyine. Okay, so then hanga yeah, birasa fresh, ngabanya na saturation gatoya. Okay, and then in here before, and then this is after guys. Okay, so and then icyo ngiye gukora guys, okay, ngiye gusharpeninga yes clip, cyase ino clip yanjye ndaza creatinga indi nodes hano. Okay, ya inze kuzuminga, ubona ko uburyo image yanjye imeze guys. Okay, so icyo ndaza gukora, ndaza no kuri icon itwa blur. Okay, so inza no kuri radius. Okay, so ninza kumanura gutya gatoya, ubona ko yes image yanjye iraza guhita iba sharp. Okay, iraza guhita iba sharp muri ubu buryo. Okay, ubona ko yes iba sharp. Then icyo ngiye gukora guys, ngiye guhita nyadingaho smooth. Okay, so ndaza gukoresha effect yitwa beauty. Okay, so ndakoresha na effect yitwa beauty. Okay, ndaza guhita nyapplyinga kuri node yindi creatinze. Okay, ahangaha gutya guys. Okay, and then data nzano muri advanced, inzano muri operating mode, nze gukoresha no automatic. Okay, so ahangaha ushobora ku increasing amount, ubona ko guys ahangaha yes iyo ndi ku increasing amount yes biri kugenda biba smooth. Okay, aha gutya ni sawa cyane. So guys, nguko clip yanjye iraza kuba isa ningi look nyihaye. So turebye before nguko yasaga, and then this is after guys. That is it. So niba kunze no video yanjye guys, leave your thumbs up, subscribe, share. Yeah, nafite ikibazo ujye kuyuzuze kugisiga muri comment kugira ngo tubwire wagwan, and then kugira ngo ujye unabona izi notifications z'andi ma video ya editing, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, yes, n'izindi tips and tricks about filmmaking. So ndabakunda cyane rero, tuze guhurira muri video y'ubutaha. Peace.